Hello everyone, I'm here trying to install the CapCut application from Apple Store, and after downloading this app I tried to install it and open it, and I was trying to import some video file and was working on editing this video file, but I realized that I'm not able to use uh, options, and I'm stuck on generating captions. So I tried to explore more and found out that there is a network error, and I tried to search one of the solution online and found out that this problem can be solved using the VPN. Here I'm going to show you how to install the Proton VPN. Click on the pricing, then get Proton for free. After that, click on the continue with the free button and try to enter email address. Here I'm trying to enter some dummy email address, and once I enter email address correctly, it will give me account details and the password. And now once you have the password, what you can do, you can continue with the password and start downloading your VPN. Now let's click on the download button, and since I'm having Mac OS, I'm just gonna check what's my OS. So it's Mac OS Monterey, right? Now I need to install a Mac OS Monterey file, DMG file, right? I downloaded that file, and after that I'm gonna open that file. Let's go to the download folder and double click on the DMG file that we have recently downloaded, and drag and drop this Proton VPN into application folder, and it will take for a while for the installation. And once you finish the installation, try to open Proton VPN app. Let's close these windows and you click on the open. You want to open this app, and then you need to change little bit settings here. Just click on OK, and then you go back to the setting and double click on the lock icon and try to enter your password for your system. And once you given the permission to access this app, you again double click on this lock icon and close that and try to connect back again. So you just click here allow, and you can see it's connected to the Netherlands, right? And now I will go back to my CapCut app, and I will just try to open file, and what I see here is I'm not still able to resolve this issue. So maybe in this case I need to quit this app and restart it again. Let's open it again. So I restarted one more time and click on the media file, Okay, and then I try to explore the options, and what I can see here, CapCut app is downloading some files. So what does it mean? It's working perfectly. So we resolve the network error here, and we are able to use the CapCut app. I think that's all for this video. Please let me know if you have any comments. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.